let's talk about my setup for showing up consistently online without having to post on weekends or show up on social media 24/7. Hi, my name is Christa Nichols, and I'm a copywriter and a freelance copywriter coach. I have a business that's generated over $1 million in revenue in the last 4 years, and I show up online consistently every day, but I don't spend a ton of time doing it. I also don't spend a ton of money on fancy equipment or schedulers, and I just have one other team member helping me. First of all, I chose one type of content to focus on: short form video. Then I chose one platform to create the video on. I chose TikTok. I create 3 or 4 short form videos every day, Monday through Friday, on TikTok, and I focus really heavily on strong hooks and value-based content. I do a few trends, but not a lot. I then use the app repurpose.io to automatically send the videos from TikTok without the watermark into Google Drive. My team member takes it from there, posting those short form videos as Pinterest idea pins, as Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels, and as YouTube Shorts. One piece of content, 5 platforms. Using this quick model and setup, you're going to be able to show up consistently online without spending all day on social media or spending a ton on expensive apps or schedulers. Follow this account for more freelance copywriter business growth tips.